Today, Apple has started taking pre-orders for its first spatial computers, the Vision Pro headset. It will become available as previously announced on February 2. With the pre-order page come more details about the headset, but let's start with pricing. It's $3,499 with 256 GB of storage, $3,699 with 512 GB, or $3,899 with 1 TB. You can get all versions with 1 year financing through Apple Card monthly installments. Apple Care Plus for the Vision Pro is $499 and gives you ultimate repairs for accidental damage protection and express replacement service and 24/7 priority access to Apple experts. Before you pre-order, you need to get a measurement for the light, seal and headboard, and for all that you need an iPhone or iPad with Face ID. Then you can add two types of cheese optical insert depending on your vision. It's $99 for readers inserts and $149 for prescription inserts. To help people come to grips with these entirely new products in its portfolio, Apple has produced an almost 10-minute video that's guided tour of the Vision Pro. Now, in the box, you can get the headset itself, a dual loop band, a cover, a battery, a light seal cushion, a polishing cloth, USB-C charging cable, and you are not going to believe this, an actual charger. So now we are confused. If any iPhone started at $3,499, would Apple offer to bundle a charger with it then? Or would it suddenly stop caring about the environment by wastefully doing that? We all probably never know unless inflation really gets out of hand. So that's for today in this video. Thank you for watching, and for more videos like this, please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon.